Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas day 21. How is this happening? I'm going to try and not say this every single day, but I just think it's insane. Let's go straight into the Airwick calendar. This is the unboxing of the advent calendars. Number 20. 20 or 21? Let's have a look. Seriously, it's so hard to remember. So now I'm basically looking for a number that I don't need. It's 21, isn't it? Yes, we've already opened 20. Sorry about that, guys. I get confused. Day number 21, and it is mulled wine. The red one, my favourite. Let's move on to the calendar that I made myself. I can't believe we're on 21. Literally, like, we've nearly finished, you guys! We've nearly finished. Oh, yay! Excited about this one. This is another Real Techniques brush. This is the fluffy one. These ones don't have names on them actually, like this collection. But this is number 300. And it's just basic like a powder brush. You could probably use it as like a bronzing brush. Whatever you want really. Well, not whatever you want. I mean, you're not going to do your eyeshadow with this, are you? Let's be real. But yeah, excited. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Don't you agree? It's very beautiful. Let's move on to the sleep calendar. Where are we? Number 21. I can see number 12, which is 21 backwards, but it's not the one we're looking for right now. I found number 21 though, so nobody panic. And it is, we haven't asked for these for a while actually. It's another nail varnish. It's another matte nail varnish, and this is in the shade, I was going to say flammable then, it does say flammable. Old Hollywood. It's quite a dark colour that, it's quite a dark reddy kind of colour. Like a dark reddy kind of brown colour. Let's go on to the Soap and Glory one. And see what that is saying for day number 21. Let me find my scissors, there we go. Where are you? Day 21. It's actually not even here. It's not even here, you guys. I'm not even joking. There is no 21. Am I being stupid right now? Oh my god, I found it. I'm not even joking, you guys. I don't know why my focal point keeps moving on its own. I literally thought there was no 21 there then, you guys, because I could not see it at all. This one's not really that good. It's kind of mini, teeny weeny, but actually it's cute. But it's just a little pair of tweezers, very, very, very mini tweezers. Actually, I do kind of need another pair of tweezers, so actually it's not a bad little shout, and it's a really cute little mini. So, right, so it's just moved and I haven't touched it. I'm not even joking, you guys. There is nothing touching the mouse, there is nothing touching the keyboard at all, but the focal point keeps moving and I don't know why, and it's freaking me out. But we have got a mini pair of Soap and Glory tweezers. I'm really freaked out right now. I'm trying to like keep my cool because we need to do this video. Let's just move on to let's move on to the L one. Please let this focal point stay where it is. I need to get this video filmed. Day number 21. Calvin Klein, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's a Calvin Klein perfume. Alright then. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is well cute. How cute is that? Let's have a little whiff. Oh, is it it's not a spray, which is a shame. I'm scared. Oh. I've just spilt it. Oh, it smells nice. It does smell nice, you guys. The only thing that I would say, I'm disappointed it's not a spray. And I know you might be thinking because it's a mini one, but I've got like I have got like mini sprays like that are that big. You know the samples that normally come as normal samples, and they've actually been sprays. That is actually a really nice smell though, and it's not a teeny weeny bottle, like there's quite a bit there. Especially with it being a roll and you're going to get quite a few uses out of that. Okay, let's move on to the glossy box one. So, in the glossy box one, I can smell that perfume now, I really like it. Ooh, we have a Pixie by Petra product. And this is the Beach Rose Fresh Face Blush. I'm excited about that. I really like the look of that, you guys. That looks really nice and pretty. Definitely going to be giving that a try. Having a little play with that. It almost looks like it could be a... I was going to say like a bronzer, but it is... I suppose it has got more of a blush to it. That perfume's really, really strong. I can proper smell it. Let's close this. So we've got 2, 4, 6. Body Shop, day 21. I'm proper freaked out about my camera right now. It's doing my head in. Oh yes, I wanted one of these. This is one of the dewy skin sprays. It's not necessarily probably the one I would have chosen myself, although this one is for Hydrate, Illuminate, Makeup Friendly. This is the Rose Dewy Glow one. Should we put, I could put some of this on now, can't I? Like it says, Makeup Friendly. Let's give it a try. Smells very rosy. I think if I had to choose, I would have gone for the strawberry spray, but it's nice and glowy and dewy. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Real glad that they put one of these in the box. Let's have a look in the Look Fantastic one. And in this calendar, we have got a shampoo and conditioner. They're from Mane and Tail, Moisturise, Texturize, and Body. Exciting! I'll just let you have a quick look at them. Okay, I'm excited to try these out. Let's just have a little whiff. Oh, it's hard to smell because I can smell like the perfume and the spray. But yeah, so that is it for everything in today's unboxing. Cheers everyone, I love you so, so much. I'm sorry about the weird thing that's going on with my focal point right now. I'm going to try and figure it out, but hopefully this video is watchable. Please let this video be watchable because I can't redo it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!